a clear discussion about while loop and for loop. Okay, so just for every element, just take a bit very special case, sir. For every element, present in the given sequence, for every element present in the given sequence, if you want to do something, okay, then we should go for loop, right? Okay, then we should go for loop. For every element present in the given sequence, if you want to do certain activity, then we should go for loop. Next, sir, if we don't know number of iterations in advance, sir, yes, long, yes, some condition is true. Yes, long, yeah, some condition is true. Can you please keep on doing something? Regarding as long as some condition is true, as long, yeah, some condition is true. Do something. Regarding do something, then we should go for. We should go for while loop. Regarding do something, then we should go for while loop. Remember this one, sir. As long, yeah, some condition is true. Do something, then we should go for while loop, right? Remember that. Sir, just best example, sir. My requirement is, can you please print hello 10 times? This is about my requirement, right? How you can write for loop? How you can write regarding how you can write for loop? How you can write while loop? Can you please tell the code, sir? Very simple terminology. Here, sir, for I in range of 10, for I in range of 10, print hello. Sir, this range of 10 means it contains 10 values, 0 to 9. It contains 10 values, 0 to 9 is nothing but obviously hello by default we are going to get. Sir, this is the for loop because you are telling exactly 10 times. That's why better to go for loop. No. Still I want to use sir, while loop only. X is equal to 0. While, okay, x is less than or x is equal to 1. While x is less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10. Print hello. Regarding print of hello like x is equal to x plus 1. That's all. This is the output by using for loop. Okay, sir, by using for loop, okay, like we are taking, sir. Next, this is the output we are going to get by using while loop, sir. Remember this one. So happily you can able to get just for syntax familiarity purpose. Just I'm taking, sir. So in the first case, it's going to print hello 10 times. Even in this second case also, it's going to print 10 times. No problem at all. Have a look once. Sir, first time 10 times, second time also 10 times. Okay, like just either yes, long, yes, some condition is true. Keep on doing something. Yes, long, yes, some condition is true. Can you please keep on doing something? Okay, like then we should go for while loop. Sir, for every element present in the given sequence, if you want to do something, then we should go for loop. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Everyone in a position to understand, right? That's all. So now, what is the next one? Sir, just I'm taking, this is about my requirement, right? Yes. Can you please tell, in this case, what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? What the output by default we are going to get? Can you please observe that? X greater than 0, hello, colon, I. Hello, colon, I. 1 minute, there are some doubts. Yes, ma'am. Kalisha, which code you require? For loop you require? Yes. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Just here, just observe. I want to execute. Yes, I want to execute for every element present in the sequence. For I in range of 10. Sir, range of 10. It is a sequence which contain 10 elements are there. It is a sequence which contain 10 elements are there, sir. Remember this one, which contain 10 elements are there, 0 to 9. So for every I value present in this sequence means, sir, the sequence contains 10 elements, then 10 times this loop is going to execute. Are you able to understand? Sir, how many times it is going to, this body is going to be executed, sir? 10 times, sir. This body by default is going to be executed. Because the sequence contains how many elements, right? Can you please tell how many elements are there in this sequence? 10 elements are there. Suppose, if I can take Durga, can you please tell how many times hello will be printed? Please, Kalisha, can you please tell how many times hello will be printed? How many times hello will be printed? 5 times. 5 times. Sir, for every I present inside Durga means first character, second character, third character, fourth character, fifth character, like that, print of hello. Are you getting first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one? Like automatically, sir, you are going to get hello like this, right? So the output by default you are going to get is hello 5 times. Remember. Now anyway, that's all. That's a for loop, right? So now this is the small code whatever I have. Can you please guide what the output by default you are going to get, sir? What the output by default you are going to get? Please confirm. In this case, what the output, sir? Hello I value, and the next value will be incremented. Incremented. Yes, what the output by default you are going to get? Error. What is the problem, man? Am I doing any mistake? Error. Why, Subrat Kumar? What is the output by default you are going to get, sir? So this one is nothing but, yes, sir. I mean, hello x, sorry, sir, x value. X value, correct. I'm doing some mistake. X value. Can you please tell what is the output by default you are going to get, sir? Yes, infinite number of times output by default is going to come. Now, have a look once, sir. Have a look once. What? Are you getting? Keep on. When it's going to be stopped, sir? Sorry, it's never going to be stopped. Are you getting? It never going to be stopped. When it's going to be stopped, sir, it's never going to be stopped. Keep on, continue. Like this thing is itself is nothing like this, right? How I can stop? Control C. How I can stop? Control C. Clear? Any doubt about this one? Control C. Okay, that's all. This is what you should evaluate. So while using loops, maybe a chance on, okay, infinite loop, maybe a chance of infinite loops. That's why take a bit very special care. That's about our requirement, right? Take a bit special care about this one. Okay, so maybe a chance of infinite loops possibility is also there. That's why more concentration, more care must be required for you people, right? Okay, that's all. So now next one, here just observe a bit carefully about this one. What is my next scenario is, sir, if I can take for loop for I in range of, sir, 3, for I in range of 3, can you please print I is equal to I is equal to I is equal to I want to print, sir, I is equal to I. Can you please tell what the output we are going to get? Please respond. I is equal to first time 0, 1, 2. Perfect. I value is 0, 1, 2. I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2. Perfectly, it's going to get the output, right? Okay, like. But now my requirement is, sir, for I in range of 3, for J in range of 3, for J in range of 3, I'm taking print on, okay, here I'm taking I is equal to I value, comma, J is equal to J value, dot format on. Have you remembered, right? Dot format on I value, comma, J value I'm taking. That's all. So what output by default we are going to get, sir? Any explanation is required? If I can take like this, what the output by default we are going to get for this requirement, right? Yes. Okay, first time I is the 0, sir. This is called, do you know, I'm taking a loop inside another loop. A loop inside another loop. Such type of concept is called nested loops. Remember that. We can take a loop inside another loop. Nested loops. Are you getting? We can take a loop inside another loop. We can take a loop inside another loop. Another loop is nothing but what? Nested loops concept. Nested loop. We can take loop inside another loop. Itself is nothing but nested loop concept, right? Remember, sir, it's a possible, sir. Now, first I is equal to 0. Whenever I is equal to 0, this statement is going to execute. But here again it is the loop. That's why j value 0, j value 1, j value 2, multiple times this statement is going to execute. Sir, that's why first time I is the 0, j is the 0. I is the 0, j is the 1. I is the 0, j is the 2. That's all. This for loop completed. Inner for loop. Again I value will become 1. 1. Again j is the 0. 1, sir, j is the 1. 1, j is the 2. Next, now, sir, inner for loop completed. Again I value will become 2. 2, 0. 2, 1. Are you getting? 2, 2 like this, right? Then obviously what the output by default you are going to get, sir, like this. Any doubt? Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Yeah, Prasad, we are not required to take I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, because for each I in range of 3 means I value, j value already will be there. Okay, first in this, what the first value is 0. First 0 will be assigned to I. Okay, I will execute Santosh. Can you please tell what the output by default you are going to get in this case? Observe that. Can you please have a look once? I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 1, I is equal to 0, j is equal to 2. Whenever I is equal to 0, first inner loop will be repeated for every j value. Whenever I is equal to 1, again inner loop will be repeated for every j value. Whenever I is equal to 2, again inner loop will be repeated for every j value. Everyone can able to understand, right? Yes. Any doubt? Range of 3 means Prasad. Range of 3 means 0, 1, 2. Range of 3. Which values are there in range of 3? 0, 1, 2. Like this. Range of n means range of n means 0 to n minus 1. Range of n means 0 to n minus 1. Please confirm. Are you able to understand? Okay, that's fine. Sir, any doubt? Nested loops concept is applicable or not? Can you please observe a bit very, very carefully about this one? Nested loops concept, is it applicable or not? Yes. Happily, loop inside a loop, perfectly it is possible, sir. Now here, just a small thing I have to explain. A small thing I have to explain. So just take a bit very, very special care about this terminology, right? Here, listen this one. Do you know somewhere you may heard about patterns? Patterns. Have you ever heard about patterns? Pyramid, next a square, next a triangle, next a right angled triangle. Somewhere you may heard in your C language or Java language, somewhere in the flow control, you may heard that. Sir, now my requirement is very, very simple terminology, sir. Observe that. Sir, I want to print a star. I want to print a star. Okay, 5 stars. Yes, five stars. I want to print, sir. 5 stars is my requirement. Assume that. Can you please tell how I can able to do? 5 stars I require for I in range of 5. For I in range of 5. Print of for I in range of 5. Print of, just I'm taking star, comma. If I can take like this, how many stars will be printed? Can you please confirm? How many stars will be printed? Please, more concentration must be required. How many stars? 5 stars. Sir, in how many lines it will be printed? In how many lines it will be printed? 5 lines. 5 lines. Observe. 5 lines it will be printed. Are you getting star like this? Okay, well. Now my requirement is, don't print in 5 lines. I want in a single line only. If you want to print in a single line, what we have to do? Can you please tell, sir, what we have to do? Just end attribute. Not separator, end attribute. Because comma end is equal to space. End is equal to space like this, right? End is equal to space like this I'm taking. Now observe perfectly star like this we are getting. Any doubts, sir? Any doubt about this one? Just to print in the same. N is equal to like this I'm taking, sir, to print in the same. Okay, like. Now my requirement is, observe that you are in a position to print, one line, man, perfectly it's valid. Now my requirement is, can you please print, read some, here just my requirement is, can you please observe that star like this, star like this. Okay, star like I want this type of output. Anyone can you please guide, sir? What is the way how you can able to do that? Are you able to understand? Just the three stars, how you can able to do that? Three stars, very simple terminology, sir. What is the way? What is the way is very simple, sir. Here legend this one. Enter some number. I want to enter some number. Enter some number. N is equal to input of enter some number. Enter number of rows. You can ask. Enter number of rows like this I'm asking. Listen carefully, sir. But anyway, int must be required. You know the reason for that. Int must be required. Now my requirement is, very simple terminology, sir. What is the requirement is, for I in range of n. For I in range of n. So how many times this loop will be printed? Can you please confirm? How many times this loop will be printed? Can you please tell? N times. Whatever, if you are going to provide n 4, then 4 times this loop is going to be printed like that. Okay, not n minus 1, 0 to n is nothing but n times it is going to be printed. Now print of, sir, here star space into n. Star space into n. What it means is, if you entered 3, then automatically star space into how many times, right? 3 times. It is going to print. Suppose I'm taking n is 1. Assume that, sir. N is 1. N is 1. Okay, sorry. Here just observe that n. Here, if I entered n value is the 3, sir. 3. Assume, sir, 3 times this for loop is going to execute. Every time it's going to print like this. What it will do is star space, again star space, again star space, like for the first one it is completed. Like this, how many times it's going to be printed, sir? 3 times. Are you getting? 3 times, because n value is the 3 you are taking. Then automatically a square of 3 stars by default we are going to get. Any doubts, sir? Why star to star space is coming? Because after star space symbol I'm taking one space, I'm taking like this. Clear, right? Into n. Devdikshe, nothing, man. Do you know multiplication operator? Have you remembered somewhere we covered Durga into 3? What's the meaning of this? Durga into 3. What's the meaning of that? Devdikshe. Durga, can you please consider Durga 3 times? 3 times Durga. 3 times Durga, same. So n times print this star. N times print this star. That's what I'm taking. Clear, right? Okay. Now observe carefully. Enter number of rows. One row, one row, only one star. Excellent, man. Enter number of rows, two stars. Enter number of rows, three stars. Perfect. Enter number of rows, five. Then automatically 5 stars. Wow. Clear for all of that? Can you please confirm? Are you in a position to print squares? Okay. Now, any doubt? Sir, now sometimes we know, oh, I don't want. Sir, space indicates what? Space here just, if I'm not taking space, man, here space is not there. What will happen? Can you please observe? If I'm not giving the space in the middle, what will happen? Can you please observe the output? Why I'm taking space here? This is the output you are going to get. Not that much meaningful. Are you getting that? That's why. So instead of that, just I'm giving one space. So space is also one character only. Now star followed by space, how many times it has to print? 3 times or 5 times, whatever, n number of times. Now have a look once, number of rows 5. Then happily it's going to print 5 times that. Please confirm, are you in a position to understand? Yes, at last the space is there, but we are not required to worry because our concentration is always on stars. Look, clear? But anyway, there are multiple ways are available. Then you can, okay, like, yeah, we can use print, we can use nested loops also to print. But anyway, next level we are going. Why you have to worry about at the beginning only? We have to do several things here. Clear up to this? Okay. Sometimes what will happen is, listen a bit very carefully, sir. Sometimes what will happen is, I don't want to use a star symbol. I don't want to use a star symbol. I want to consider, okay, some other symbol, dollar symbol. Any symbol you can take, man. What is the problem? Any symbol you can take. 3. Are you getting 3? I'm taking. Now, instead of stars, 3 is going to come. 3 is going to come. Are you getting it? Instead of stars, 3 is going to come. Next, if I can take 7, then automatically 7 times it's going to come. Anything by default you can able to take. Clear, right? Yes. Okay. Now, next level. Sir, that's all. This is about how you can able to take other symbols also, right? What is the next one, sir? Very important. Very important, sir. So my requirement is, sir, can you please print 1 minute. Is there any way to print I value directly? Is there any way to print I value directly? I want to use other symbols. Maybe my requirement is 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2. This is about my requirement. How you can able to do? This is the I value. I have to print I value, right? I value. How you can able to do that? Anyone? Can you please guide? I want to print I value. I value 0 0 0 1 1 1 and so on. Anyone? Can you please print? Let me convert I into str plus space, okay, this total thing into n. Can you please observe? Str of I plus a space. Sir, it is the string form of I plus a space, because plus operator, if you want to apply, compulsory both arguments should be string type. That's why, like this, into n. What will happen? Enter 3. Perfect. 0 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2. By default it's going to come. Enter 7 0 0 0 1. Umang Sharma, we will discuss, don't worry. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Some special symbols. Very simple, sir. Very simple, sir. Sir, don't print only 0, don't print only stars. I want to print sir, this is I value. I value first time 0, second time 1, third time 2, fourth time like this, right? I value, right? So here what it's going to do, that just observe carefully. If you can understand this line, you can able to understand very easily. Str of I. So this I value will be converted into string type. String type, maybe I is the 0. 0 will be converted into string type plus a space. Then automatically 0 followed by space. 0 followed by space. This total, how many times we have to take, sir? N times. If you are taking 3, then first time I value the 0, 0 space, 0 space, 0 space, 0 space. First time for loop completed. Now next time I is equal to 1. I value is 1. 1 space, 1 space, 1 space. Next I value the 2. I value the 2. Then automatically 2, sir, 2, 2 like this. Yes, are you able to understand, right? 0 into 3 means 0. Umang Sharma, 0 into 3 means it's the mathematics. Are you getting? Multiplication operation. But here our requirement is symbolic form I want. 0 I want to consider symbolic. Okay? Clear? Yeah, Lakshmi, there may be a chance of multiple. Str of I, what it's going to do is convert I value into string form. Same only, but it is internally treated as string character instead of number. Yes, str of I, internally your number will be converted as string type. Like this, right? It's a typecasting function. Somewhere we covered. Are you able to understand? Okay. My intention is, sir, don't feel always stars only. You can able to take, yes, you can able to take like this also. Now, can I go for next level? Can I go for next level? Next level? Okay. Now my requirement is, listen very carefully about this one. Tina, can you please log out and log in again? Maybe network issue. Just observe, my requirement is a bit dangerous point I'm ready to take. Observe that carefully, sir. Suppose if I entered 5, sir. If I entered 5, do you know right angled triangle? At our childhood somewhere we covered. Right angled triangle. This is called right angle triangle. Correct, right? This is called right angle triangle. Okay. Error you are going to get, Anand. If you are not going to convert into the string, error you will get. What the reason is? I value is number type. I value is the number type. Then automatically plus here space is character. One is a string, the other one is the number. Between number and a string, we are not allowed to perform concatenation. Have a look once. Enter number of rows 5. Unsupported operand types int and str. Clear, right? Next, there are multiple other ways are there. Don't worry much about this. One way I'm explaining. There are multiple other ways are there. You can try. At last, are you getting the output or not? That's what our ultimate requirement. Clear, right? Yeah. Now observe, this is nothing but right angle triangle. Okay, that's about right angle triangle. Now my requirement is, I want to use, sir, you know, if I can specify 5, Then my required output is star, sir. Next and after that, sir, again 2 stars, sir. Next and after that, again 3 stars, sir. Okay, sir. Now 4 stars, sir. 4 stars, sir. Next again 5 stars, sir. Like this. Are you getting? Again 5 stars, sir. Like this I am taking. Sir, that's all. This is what you people should aware. Are you able to see right angle triangle or not? Yes, ma'am. Are you able to see right angle triangle or not? Yes. If you enter 5, this is. If you enter 7, then automatically like that. Yeah. There, n number of ways are there. But at last, whether we got output or not, that is ultimate, sir. Okay. Here, number of rows and columns also there. Have you observed right? This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Fifth row. Observe that. Next, for the first row, how many stars are required? Can you please confirm? For the first row, how many stars are required? 1 star. 1 star. So, first row 1 star. Second row 2 stars. Third row 3 stars. Fourth row 4 stars. 5 stars. Okay. So, row number is exactly same as number of stars. Row number is exactly same as number of stars. Okay, like this, right? Now my requirement is take a bit very special case, sir. I have one small doubt, sir. Don't get confused because small point also I want to explain. You should not get doubt. If I can take 5, print of I, what is the answer we are going to get? For I in range of 5, print of I, what is the answer we are going to get? Can you please confirm? What is the answer we are going to get now? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, 5 times loop will execute, but the values we are going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Okay? Here for I in by mistake. For I in range of 5, what the answer we are going to get, sir? Yes. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on we are going to get. Perfectly, it's going to work, sir. Now my target is, I don't want 0, 1, 2, 3, sir. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want 1 to 5. Are you getting? My requirement is I want 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Can you please confirm? What is the way? I want 1 to 5. What is the way? Okay. 1, comma 6 you have to take. If you are going to take 1, comma 6, 1, comma 6, begin to n minus 1. Begin to n minus 1. Tarvinder, colon you should not use. It is not slice operator. Comma 1, comma 6. 1, comma 6. Begin to n minus 1. Here begin to n minus 1. Remember that. Now what is the output, sir? Have you observed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please confirm. Everyone in a position to understand this. Any explanation is required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, because the reason is why I am taking, sir, in the first, if I value is 1, sir, 1 star. If I value the 2, 2 stars. If I value the 3, 3 stars. Okay, like this we have to take. Now, here, first line, n is equal to input of enter number of rows. Enter number of rows. Okay, like this I am taking, sir. Enter number of rows. Okay, is going to take 5. For I in range of 1 to n plus 1. If I can take 1 to n plus 1 means 1 to n, right? What is the value? What is the I values is going to be considered? Please confirm. If I can take 1 to n plus 1 means it is going to take 1 to n or not? I respond, man. Is it going to take 1 to n or not? Yes. 1 to n. It's internally it's going to take 1 to n only. Okay. What I require? So I have to take first time what is the I value? Can you please confirm? First time what is the I value? First time what is the I value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Here legend. Enter number of rows. Yeah, enter number of rows. Um, enter number of rows. Here observe that 5 I'm taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, if you print in the first time 1 star, if you can print the second time 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, can I able to get a rectangle or not? I mean right angle triangle, can I able to get or not? Yes. Okay. Now what I want to take? Here star space into I. Star space into I. Okay, that's all. If this number is 1, then 1 star, it is the first row. If this number is the 2, it is going to print 2 stars, second row. If the number is the 3, then it's going to print 3 star, third row, like this. Have you observed, right? Enter number of rows. 5. Wow, perfect. Yes. Are you able to understand? Thoda difficulty by default will be there. Can you please once you are start practicing, then you can able to answer all these things. Nothing will be there. Okay, but when you will get much clarity, once you are practicing, then only you will get much clarity. Okay, that's all. This is one important thing what we have to take. Sir, can you please cross check? Any explanation is required about this one? I hope it's a very clear for you people, right? Suppose my requirement is very interesting, sir. My requirement is very interesting point. Don't print stars. I want if it's the first row, can you please print one number? One number means my required output is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, like this. Can you please tell what is the way? Nah, what is the way? Yes, here just already you people aware. This one already I showed. Already I showed. What is the way? Yes, here instead of taking star, here what thing I have to take? str of I value, plus space. Next str of I value under space I number of times I have to take. Think of it very carefully. Instead of star space, now I'm taking I value space. I'm taking. A bit difficult. Don't worry. Just slowly you can able to practice. Then you can get much clarity. Enter number of rows. 5 rows. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Like this. N number of rows. 10. Perfect. Are you able to understand it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It's going to work. Yes, str plus str is always str type. Str plus int type, Python will give left and right. Okay, concatenation plus operator, if you want to use, both should be string type. Then only concatenation is going to be happen. One is number, the second one is the string. It is not going to work out. Any doubt about this one? Slowly, are you in a position to practice? Are you in a position to understand? Clear, right? Yeah, maybe Subrat, maybe execute that. If you are not going to get, where is the problem, you can fix it. Then Venkatesh, first time 10, 10, 10, maybe here multiple digits, right? That's why alignment there is maybe small problem. instead of one space, if you can take one more space, three spaces I'm taking, then enter 10. Can you please observe? Are you getting? So more. It is something like, yeah. Now the next one. Now the next possibility, sir. Shall we reverse? Are you getting? Shall we reverse? Reverse means what I want to take is, if you are going to enter 3, if you are going to enter 5, sir, number of rows 5. Now my requirement is, now take a bit special case, sir. Now my requirement is, if you enter first 5 stars, next 4 stars, yeah, next 4 stars, next 3 stars, next 2 stars, next 1 star. Okay, now the rectangle triangle is in reverse. Yeah, now the rectangle triangle itself is in reverse. That's all. What is the way? Anyone, can you please guide? Anyone, can you please guide? Yes, ma'am. What is the way? What is the way? Very simple, sir. In the first time, how many rows, how many stars you want? In the first time, how many stars you want? How many stars you want? 5 stars. Okay, let me consider star only. Okay, let me consider star symbols I'm talking. Star only. Star space into I. Okay. So first time, how many stars I want? N stars. N stars. Second time, how many stars I want? N minus 1 stars. N minus 1 stars. Third time, how many stars I want? Like this. Anyone, can you please guide? You have to think logically, then only you can able to understand. It is just I'm writing the code. Can you please explain? May not. Take a bit very, very special care. This is about my requirement. I'm telling my requirement very clearly. Okay? Yes. Good. What I will say? Sir, anyway, I don't want to touch this one. Let me make as, okay, same. Let me make as the same. Or otherwise, no problem at all. N I'm taking. N I'm taking. Then our life will become very easy, I'm sure. First time, legend this one. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. Very simple, sir. Print of n minus print of I value. What is the I value? Please respond. What is the I value? If n is equal to 5. If n is equal to 5, what is the value? I value. If n is equal to 5, print I value, man. What is the output we are going to get? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, 4. Correct or not? 0, 1, 2, 3, under like 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 0 to 4, it is going to print. Now I'm taking n minus I. N minus I. Can you please confirm what the output we are going to get now? Think a bit logically. N minus I. What the output we are going to get now? First time I is the 0. First time I is the 0, next time I is 1, next time I is the 2, 3, 4. I values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But n is always 5. N is always 5. If n is always 5, because I specified at the beginning, first time I value is the 0. First time I value is the 0. N minus I means 5 minus 0 means 5. Okay. Next time I value is 1. 5 minus 1 is nothing but next time 4. Next time 3. Next time 2. Next time 1. That's all. 5 minus 4, its value. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we are going to get. Correct? Can you please tell? Can you please guide? For the output, enter number of rows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's all. Once you are in a position to generate this number, then for the first time 5 stars, second time 4 stars, third time 3 stars, like this. Wow, wonderful. Only one word. Or a print star space into n minus I. My job completed, man. star space into n minus I. That's all. N minus I, you know, first time 5, next time 4, next time 3, 2, 1. Print those many stars. Instead of printing the number, print those many stars. Okay, like yes, yes. Enter number of row was 5. Oh, any doubt? Are you in the position to understand? Yes, yes, PY. Restart PY. Yes, correct, Umang. Are you in the position to understand this one? Narayan, it's a perfect, right? Not in a position. Yeah. You require to go through that line by line because it's a logical thinking, not logical thinking. You require to practice much, you people. If you are already having logical thinking, already having the idea about the patterns, you can able to do that very easily. Okay, like this. Now, it's a very simple, sir. Next one. Next, sir, I want to go for, okay. I want to go for pyramid. Can I go for that? Pyramid style. Very common, man. Very common. Pyramid. If I can give 5, sir. If I can give 5. Do you know what is the way, man? I forgot. What is the way? Pyramid structure means, sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Pyramid structure. Observe very carefully, sir. Ana, fourth one. Yeah. Equivalent triangle, something like. Yeah, that's all. Okay, this is, sir, is it a pyramid or otherwise is it in the equivalent triangle? Anyway, I want this shape. This is about my requirement. I want this shape. If I will provide 5. Anyone, can you please tell the logic? Yes. Anyone, can you please tell the logic? In the first row, how many stars are required? Think of it very carefully, sir. In the first row, how many stars are required? Only 1 star. Only 1 star. Second row, how many stars? 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no problem. Excellent, man. Yes, no issue at all. Happily, it is going to print. Now, first let me generate the numbers. 1 comma n plus 1. 1 comma n plus 1. Print of I. For I in range of 1 to n plus 1. For I in range of 1 to n plus 1. 1 to n plus 1. Print of I. So it is going to generate. It is going to generate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, it's okay. Well, number of stars wise, no problem at all. But the bigger problem is going to come. What is the bigger problem is, here take a bit very special care. 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. Like this. Now, here have you observed, right? Y n plus 1. Santosh Reddy. Again, you are having the doubt. You are starting from 1, 2. If you want begin to range function is always, if you can take a range of 5, what values it's going to represent? What values it's going to represent? 0 to 4. Are you getting 0 to 4? If I can take a range of 1 to 6, what values it's going to represent? What values it's going to represent? 1 to 6. 1 to 6 I'm taking range of what values it is going to represent? 1 to 5. Remember that 1 to 5 because first time 1 star, second time 2 stars, third time 3 stars, fourth time 4 stars, fifth time 5 stars are required. Are getting? That's why I'm taking 1 to n plus 1 number of stars. Okay, it is going to print what the values are. What the value? If I can enter 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Santosh, are you able to understand? Yeah. Okay, well. Now the problem here is, here this star should come after how many spaces? Can you please tell? 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Are you getting? And then 4, and then 4. So star followed by space, 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 like this. Sir, after 4 times it is going to come. Okay, well. But next time, after how many spaces star will come? After how many spaces star will come? 3, 3, 3, 3. Here star is coming. Next, here 2 spaces star is coming. 1 space star is coming. But here no space. No space. Observe that. No space. Means for the first one, how many spaces are required? 4. Second one, 3. Third one, 2. Fourth one, 1. And then 0. And then 0, 0. Like this, right? Good. Now, how you can able to do that? How you can able to do that, sir? Very simple, sir. Very simple. First print 4 spaces. Are you getting? Print 4 spaces. Are you getting? Print 4 spaces. But 4 means what is the value? Can you please tell? 4 means what is the value? N minus 1. Correct or not? N minus 1. N minus I. I can use the word. First time I value is 1. Second time I value is the 2. Third time I value is the 3. N minus 1. N minus I 4. N minus 2 3. N minus. Observe that. So now into N minus I. Okay, 1 minute. Think a bit very carefully about this terminology, sir. Oh, can you please tell? If I can take instead of, if I can take X, listen carefully. First time, how many X's is going to print? First. Can you please confirm? How many X's is going to print? How many first times are? What is the I value? 1. 5 minus 1. What about its value? 4. 4. If you need the 5 minus 1, 4. Next time, how many? 3. Next time, 2, 1, 0. Like this. Now, have a look once. Yeah, good. First time, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 0. 0 like this. Why don't you consider this X as the space? X as the space. If I can consider space. Remember that. If I consider space, comma, space, comma, like this. Sir, after these many spaces, what I want to do is print X. Sir, I will explain again. Don't worry. Just try to follow. Star. How many times I want to print star, sir? I number of times. How many times I want to print a star? I number of times. I number of times. I'm taking, sir. Print a star. I number of times. Just here one thing. End is equal to nothing. Nothing means don't go for next slide. Wow. So, thoda try to understand. It is not okay rocket science. You can able to understand very easily, right? Don't worry about that. First, let me execute once. Let me execute. Forget about that. Yes, almost 90% of the people may not get that much easily, I'm sure. Enter unexpected file, line number 8. Am I doing any mistake? Yes. Okay. Enter number of rows 5. Tick. Are you able to understand? Something output is coming. Sir, Durga sir, you are doing something. Some output is coming. Don't worry. If I can take 7, yeah, perfect. Okay. Now take a bit very special care. Sir, 100, 1 lakh also I can give, man. Who is asking? Sarvanam, 100. Now you can see your pyramid. Now you can see. Okay. Yeah, like it is going to come. Like, don't worry. Okay, it's possible, sir. 100. Okay, valid. But anyway, my console is not enough to print that much. Okay, now take very special care, sir. Listen a bit carefully. Let me take 5. Yeah. Now you can able to understand very easily because you are seeing the output. Output is there in front of you. Can you please tell? Forget about all these nonsenses, sir. All these nonsense. Forget about that. Now, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me remove this one. Now, can you please tell what are the values of I? What are the values of I? Can you please tell what is the value of I? I value 1 to 5. Assume that 5 I'm going to provide. If I will give 5, 1 to 5 is the values, right? Now I means 1 to 5. I means 1 to 5. I means 1 to 5. Assume that 1 to 5, sir. Now let me copy this one. Is it going to be possible or not? You can able to see. Yeah, perfect. But anyway, yeah. Here just it is not that much meaningful. Here just observe that a bit carefully, sir. Sir, n I value is 1. Here 1 star must be required. 2 stars must be required. 3 stars must be required. 4 stars must be required. 5 stars must be required. What I'm taking like this. Now listen this one, sir. Listen a bit very carefully. Print of star space into I. Can you please tell how many stars are going to print first time? How many stars are going to come? Please confirm. How many stars are going to come? 1 star. Next time 2 stars. Next time 3 stars. 4, 5. 1 to 5 means like this we are going to get. Have you observed? Enter number of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this I'm getting. But my requirement is, sir, before this star, some spaces must be required. Some spaces. If we can manage spaces, now it's okay. But how many spaces are required? Have you remembered how many spaces are required? If you please count, here 1 character is there. Next, second character is there. Next, third character is there. Next, fourth character is there. So total, how many spaces are there in front of this star? First star. How many spaces are there in front of first star? 4 spaces are there. 4 spaces are there in front of first star, 4. But second star, only 3 spaces are there. Third star, only 2 spaces are there. But fourth star, only 1 space is there. Fifth star, 0 number of spaces are there. Yeah. So for the first star, if you can able to manage 4 spaces at the beginning, then it will become pyramid or equivalent triangle. Are you getting right? 4. But now my point is, sir, first time 4, second time 3, third time 2, fourth time 1, fifth time 0. Can I use the word, this value is n minus I value or not? Can you please confirm? First time I value is 1, n value is the 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Second time I is the 2. 5 minus 2, 3. So next third time I value is the 3. n minus 3, 2. n minus 4, 1. n minus 5, 0. Okay. Number of spaces, how many spaces are required? N minus I number of spaces are required. If we can manage n minus I number of spaces in the middle, then automatically our job is going to become easy. So in front of these stars, okay, print off how many spaces you require, sir? N minus I number of spaces. n minus I number of spaces are required. Okay, well, remember this one. N minus I number of spaces are required. Now don't get confused. What is the output we are going to get? Observe that it is not our required output. What is the reason for that is, sir, after printing spaces, immediately star is going to come in the next line. Hey, don't come in the next line. Star I want in the same line. N is equal to like this. Yeah, first n minus I number of spaces will be printed. After that, I number of stars will be printed. Again, next time, n minus I number of spaces will be printed, and then like this. Now, I have one small doubt, sir. Observe a bit very carefully about this logic. Then automatically you can able to get. Nothing will be there, sir. Have a look once. Look once, sir. Here, this is my code. This is the code what we have. 1 minute. This is the code what we have. Please observe that. Observe a bit carefully, sir. Assume n is the 5. Please, I'm tracing, sir, so that you people can feel more comfortable, I'm sure. N is equal to 5. Can you please tell first what is the I value? Please confirm. What is the I value? I respond. What is the I value? First. Hey, observe carefully the code. For I in range of 1 to n plus 1. What is the I value? Sir, I value is 1. First. N value is always 5 because it's always fixed, sir. I is the 1. So print n minus I. N minus I. What is the n minus I? N minus I. What about n minus I? 4 spaces, and then, sir, n means next output also same line. Next star. 4 spaces will be printed, and then star. How many times the star will be printed, sir? 1 time. That's why star will be printed 1 time, because I number of stars, n minus I number of spaces. Okay, well, I is equal to 1 completed, sir. Now I is equal to 2, sir. I is equal to 2. Now second time 2. Sir, n minus I means what is the meaning of n minus I? Can you please confirm? N minus I means what? 3. Because 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. So 3 spaces, and then I is the 2, right? That's why star space. Can you please print? Star space 2 times. Excellent. Now I value is the 3, sir. Now n minus I means how many spaces? N minus I. 5 minus 3, only 2. So 2 spaces, and then star space 3 times. I is the 3, right? 3 stars. Star. Okay, here only. Star, like this it's going to print. This one is not there, sir. This one is not there. Okay, just not there. Like star like. Next, I is equal to 4, sir. N minus I means what is the value? 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Only 1 space, and then star 4 times. Star 4 times. So star 4 times. Next, I is equal to 5, sir. I is equal to 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Oh, 0 number of spaces. Ignore. 0 number of spaces. Ignore. Next, this is star 5 times. Oh, no space, right? Star space, Star space. That's all. Think a bit logically, you can able to get. Perfectly it's going to work. If you want, you can you please confirm? Yes, sir, this is the code what I took, sir. Okay. Now let me consider the 5. Perfect. Let me consider 7. Yes, it's going to come. Let me consider 9. It's going to come. No problem. So think a bit very carefully. Not that much easy. You have to you should have logical thinking capability. Then you can able to understand very easily about this one. Yeah. Now, yes. Here just observe that. Okay, that's all. These kind of questions sometimes in the interview room it's very helpful. Maybe a chance to ask. So highly recommended. What you can able to do. What you can able to do is, sir, you have to practice these kind of examples. For you, I prepared a big list of these things, right? Whenever you have that time, better to practice these things. Almost Python pattern programs. Where is that? Yeah, patterns. 120 patterns are there, man. 120 patterns I did. We developed in the classroom with the offline batch. Yeah, you can. Suppose if I can take like this. What the output by default we are going to get is just have a look once. Simple. Execute this one. Yes, enter number of rows 5. Then enter number of rows, sir, some 9. Then automatically I, H, and so on. Like this is one example. Like you know, here you can able to see. Sir, that's all. This is pattern kind of thing. Sir, have you observed? If you consider that, just now we covered. We covered one thing. Yeah. Just now we covered pyramid. Okay. Enter number of rows 7. Then automatically 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, right? Are you getting 1, 2, 3 like it's going to come. Now here my next requirement. Here see this one. Yes. Do you know? If I consider, yeah, this one. I mean 120 patterns are there, sir. Just anyway, numbers may not in the continuation. Yes. Here, if you observe, don't get shocked. Yes, enter a number. 10 I'm taking. Yeah, Christmas tree. Are you getting Christmas tree? Yeah, this is stars. Christmas tree, like this, right? Like you should be in a position to practice. Now observe this. Now observe this one, how it looks like. Enter some number 5. Then automatically here in the middle, exactly that space I want. We're getting in the middle, exactly that space we require. Like this. Okay. Next, diamond shape. Diamond like this. We developed, sir. Diamond. Yes. Observe this, how beautiful it is. Yeah. Sir, would you teach all these 120 patterns? If I'm going to start teaching, then you people will run like anything. Not required. Just okay. That's all. These kind of things. Just anyway in your material folder, all these things by default there. Just yeah. In your material folder, all these things are there. All these pattern examples already there. Can you please cross check? You may not observe. Okay, just you will get all the things. Okay, like compulsory. Yeah. In the material folder already there all these things. Can you please cross check? If you are not having, contact our admin people. They will share. Don't worry. All these 120 patterns are there, sir. No, no, no. There is one text file will be there. Can you please cross check .txt file patterns? No. Is there any PDF file is there? Can you please cross check? Otherwise, I will make it available. Don't worry. It's already there with us. Why you got to worry?